When you log into iCampus, find My Courses. Then you can select your Yes to Work course. When your course opens, scroll down and find Manual and Tasks for either Stage 1 or 2. When you click on that, your manual will open. And for you to scroll through the pages, all you have to do is go to the right side of the screen and click or tap if you're using your phone. Here you'll find important information about your schedule, attendance, your assessor details, and you'll also find information on the tasks that you need to complete. Make sure to read the task instructions very carefully, and make sure that if there are questions in the task, that you answer all of them. If you need any help understanding the tasks, you can ask your store supervisors or trainers. You can also talk to your colleagues that are training with you in your stage, and you can also ask your assessor. You can complete the tasks in any order that you like. Just make sure to complete all of the tasks before you complete your 2 weeks of training. The tasks are located underneath the manual. All you have to do is scroll down and you'll find the place where you complete each task. There are 3 types of tasks. The first kind of task is a quiz. To get started, click Begin. Then you will see the task instructions and you will complete the quiz activities. You may be filling in the blanks, answering questions, you may be matching words to definitions, and you might also be answering multiple choice questions. The second kind of task is an assignment. Click on the task title and it'll open the assignment. For these kinds of tasks, you'll have to upload photos or audio recordings. To do that, you'll have to click Browse My Files so you can attach the right files. Once the files upload, all you have to do is click Submit. The third kind of task is a discussion post. Click on the title of the task and then click Create Thread. Here, you'll give a title to your discussion post, and then you'll go to the bigger box below to write your discussion post. Once you complete your post, click Submit. Then it will be posted for all of your colleagues in your stage to read. You can also read others' posts and respond. Remember, you have the instructions in your manual, and then you can scroll down to actually complete each task. If you need any help, make sure you ask your store supervisor, a trainer in your store, a colleague in your stage, and you can always ask your assessor. We wish you the best of luck.